Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm not here to praise artificial intelligence blindly. I'm here to talk about what it really is power. And like every powerful tool in history, it can build or it can destroy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not magic. It is not a robot from a movie. It is software trained on massive amounts of data to recognize patterns, make decisions, and sometimes even create things that look human-made, from writing essays to diagnosing diseases. Right now, AI is changing industries faster than most people understand. In healthcare, AI systems can detect cancer earlier than human doctors in some cases. In finance, algorithms make trading decisions in milliseconds. In business, AI tools automate customer service, marketing, and even content creation. But let's be honest, this isn't just exciting, it's threatening. AI is replacing jobs, not someday, now. Repetitive tasks in factories, call centers, data entry, and even creative work are being automated. If you think your job is safe just because it requires a degree, think again. AI writes code, AI designs logos, AI generates videos. So what does this mean? It means the future will not reward people who do predictable work. It will reward people who can think critically, adapt quickly, and use AI as a tool instead of competing against it. Every major technological revolution, from the steam engine to the internet, eliminated jobs, but it also created new ones. The difference? The people who survived were the ones who adapted. 10. 10. The real danger of AI is not that machines will become smarter than humans. The real danger is that humans will stop thinking. If we rely on AI for every answer, every decision, every creative idea, we become passive, lazy, dependent. And dependency on any powerful system is risky. There are also ethical questions. Who controls AI? Who owns the data? What happens when AI makes a mistake? If a self-driving car causes an accident, who is responsible? The programmer, the company, or the machine? These are not science fiction questions. They are real, and they demand serious discussion. But despite the risks, AI is not the enemy. Used correctly, AI can amplify human intelligence. It can help students learn faster. It can help scientists discover cures. It can help entrepreneurs build businesses with fewer resources. AI will not replace humans completely, but humans who use AI effectively will replace humans who don't. So instead of fearing it, we should understand it. Instead of ignoring it, we should learn it. Instead of being controlled by it, we should control how we use it. The future belongs to the adaptable. The question is not whether AI will shape the world. The question is whether you will shape yourself to stay relevant in that world. Thank you.